Hi guys, welcome to Blessed Brown Kitchen. So I'm going to cook some coconut saltfish rundown with boiled dumpling. So when I slice up the coconut, it's easier to be blend, okay? Of water to blend. When I finish blend, I will come back and show you exactly what I'm doing. So I finish blend and I'm going to strain. So I finished blend the coconut. So it's time for me to do the saltfish, okay? So I finished with the dumpling and the saltfish. So I'm going to go now and cook the coconut rundown, okay? So we're going to allow it to cook. And then we come back and season it, okay? Show you something what my grandmother do. When she cooking a rundown, she put a little pinch of curry. I don't know why she do it, but her rundown tastes nice. So like a pinch of curry. So this is my chop season what I have. So I'm going to tell you what I have in it. So I have some chopped onion, some chopped scallion, some bell pepper, thyme, and pimento seed. Some black pepper, garlic powder, our purpose season, and paprika, This is a real Jamaican rundown. Okay? Thank you to cook with me and bye.